Yeah.
Do you like it? Does it taste good?
Are we a little distracted?
We had enough? Enough avocado for today? No?
I can't see. All I can see is the back of your head, kid. That's all I can see is the back of your head. Yeah.
Tanya, you have something on your face. Oh, what you doing with the bib? You're gonna wipe your face off. That's a good bib, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, you're gonna eat the bib now? But those avocados are about gone.
Okay. Yeah. Yum.
Is that it?
Yum.
Is it all gone?
Gone somewhere. It's in her. It's in her. It's on her face. It's on the bib. One of the two.
Should we see the empty bowl?
It's an empty bowl.
One more spoon, Tanya. Oh, good job.
Mommy and Daddy gotta get good at this.
I think Daddy's already pretty good at it. He's had a lot of experience feeding Mommy.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Learning early to lick the spoon.
Okay.
All gone. All gone. How'd you like your first food, Danya? Was it good? Yeah. That's pretty happy.
Yeah. There's some more off your face. Some more off your face.
Well, we did it.
We did it. It started.
First solid food. No going back now. Say hi, Grandma.